Sorry, we can't be sexy like them.
But you know what? We're here for the same reason y'all are. We're here to see these three sexy dudes. But you know what? I want to see if anyone here is a bigger fan than we are of One Way. I don't know. Who's the biggest fan here of One Way? I don't know.
If you're the biggest fan, make some noise.
Make some noise.
Make some noise if you're the biggest fan.
She's pretty loud. Okay. We're gonna ask a question. Right? So, do you know where all three of the members are from? Wait.
Well, they're all Korean, right?
Their citizenship.
Australia and
Mama, should we disqualify her? She said a bad word. Okay, yeah. We're chatting. Okay, she got it right.
Alright, so let's ask another question. Out of the three, which one is the MC, the rapper? Alright,